You see all of these red signs back behind me there. That means Castlerock is moving in on this community. So we are here in Canterra Creek in Rosharon, Texas. We're here, we've been here before, taking a look at some of the other builders like Tri-Coast Homes and Lennar, but we're here focusing on Castlerock today because their model home has just finished up. They are ready and raring to go here in this community. They have an excellent price point here in the mid to upper 300s, and they've brought an incredible brand new plan to this community, and I'm excited to show it to you. It's a little over 3,500 square feet, and it's called the Southfork plan. I'm super excited to show it to you here in just a second. We're also going to see an inventory product home that they have to offer as well. You know, one of the other things that I really like about this community in general is, I think I told you this last time, Canterra Creek shares the amenities with their neighbor community, Sierra Vista. And so not only do residents here get to take advantage of all of those amenities, you get to build even more community with those around you. Canterra Creek has their own set of amenities going in here. They're not quite done with those yet, but once everything gets really built up, it's just going to be amazing. And so I am attempting to show you what the community looks like as it's getting built up. I always like to feature that kind of stuff, you know, once it's kind of under construction and still going, because you really get to see the community getting built from the ground up, literally. Canterra Creek has a 2.4% property tax rate here, which is lower than some of their neighboring communities. That's definitely a feature that is crossing people's minds and bringing them to at least take a look in this community. And honestly, Castlerock is bringing a really good product here. They're bringing all of their silver plan products, all with 3-car garages. So I think that's really neat. I love that about Castlerock. And so if you're ready, let's go take a look at these. All right, all of Castlerock's homes are in the 60-foot section here, which is really a staple for what they offer, I think. So this is the brand new Southfork plan. We're talking about 3,542 square feet, 5 beds, 4 baths. There's a study and a game room on the second floor with a 3-car garage. This plan, I think, really allows Castlerock to compete with the other builders in the above 3,500 square foot product. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. first time I've ever featured the Southfork plan because it's so brand new. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. On to another product in the 60-foot section for Castlerock is the Greeley plan. And I really enjoy this product. I think Castlerock kind of puts a little bit of flair into it, and I think you'll see that throughout the home. We're talking about 1,801 square feet. This is a simple 3-bed, 2-bath plan. It's got covered porches on both ends, the front and the back. And here I think you're really going to notice the high ceilings, and of course it comes with a 3-car garage. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.